it's Tanya. Welcome back to Crafty Cards and Journals. Today I'm in my scripture journal and I want to do a spread. This scripture journal is new. I hauled it not long ago, this week, and it is an Archer and Olive one, and I love it. It's a traveler's notebook, so I'm happy to be incorporating this into my scripture journaling because it has the dot grid pages with the little swallows here and there. And then naturally it has the little pocket in the back if you want to put stickers or anything. So happy with that. I'm going to use my picnic time sticker book, and I'm going to use this paper. Now this paper either came from JOURNALSAY, Doodle Diaries, and I have affiliate links for Doodle Diaries, JOURNALSAY, and the Washi Tape Shop, and some of them contain coupon codes. So if you're going to shop there anyway, I would love it if you would use my links. And I'm going to be using some of this just pink scrapbook paper. I think probably a 2.5-inch punch. We'll see. I'm not really sure where we're going with this. I have an idea, so let's get started. All right, I need to fill this out, and you could either glue this to that page, but I don't want to. I'm not going to do that, all right? I'm just going to take this and put that right there, and what I want to do is just cut this to fit right in this. And I love this paper because it has the pink roses and the music. I think it is lovely. So these traveler's notebooks is like, it's like 4 inches, okay? So I'm gonna cut this. I think I can do it with this little cutter so I don't have to get my big one out. It only goes to 2 inches, but I think I've got it, so we'll see. I'm gonna cut it right here, and if it's a little off, I'll just tear it because I don't really want to get my big paper cutter out. All right, let's see, and it's short. I knew it was gonna be short. I just knew it. I knew it. Okay, so what I could do is, like I said, I could just sort of tear it. If I want to cover it completely, I could put some washi down there. Let me see what kind of washi I have. All right, I think this washi will do quite nicely. I picked this up either JOURNALSAY or Doodle Diaries. I'm really not sure. I need to do a haul from the Washi Tape Shop because I love their washi. Okay, I think that's going to be long enough. Let's see if it's wide enough. And I'll just round this corner. You could use your corner rounder if you wanted. Let's see, is that gonna work? Oh, I think that'll be perfect, okay? And it adds interest, so I like that. Now, do I want to, I think I'm gonna cut this actually at 4 inches. Let me get my big paper trimmer out. I love this paper trimmer. And if I wanted, I could glue that right on there, but I don't think I'm going to. I think I'm going to leave it like this. I think it lightens everything up. So, going to put this, and I'm going to cut it. About right here. Now let's see if this can go correctly. Okay. Do I like that, or do I like it like it's ending here? Which way? Don't know. I think I like it like this. I think that looks better. Okay, so I'm going to glue this down first. And I'll link anything that I can find in the description box below. I'm using this little glue stick. It's really new for me. I hauled it the other day. And, well, I showed it, actually, in my video. And I really like it. I think it's going to be pretty awesome. It is not supposed to bother your pages at all. So it won't wrinkle them or anything like that. And I like it because it's square. It doesn't come off your page as easy as some of the others might. Okay. Try to get that all lined up as best I can. Oh, it didn't get it on there. Because I was using so much of that tape runner, I was like, oh, okay. Now I want to trim this edge up. I have a little bit down here. I could have pulled it down a little. I could also, I think I'll just do this. I like the effect that it gives. Like I said, the reason why I changed from my other scripture journal is I got so tired of having those lines and that color paper. I mean, it worked. I made it work, but this is more conducive to what I want to do. So I'm happy about this change. And these pages are so, they're 160 GSM. Nothing's gonna bleed through it, so I like that. Okay, that is really sweet. Okay, then I want to get in my picnic time book. And I think, thinking about putting her here. I have to keep enough room for my scripture. Tweezers. Scoot her over as far as I can get. And I could have put her on white cardstock and she really would have popped, but I wanted to keep all this really simple and muted, because this to me is soft and muted, except for my cardstock, because I really want my scripture to pop. So let's see if this works, what I'm thinking about doing. Okay, I think that'll work. I could maybe even put it, but see, the only bad part about putting it here is it covers that rose. And to me, if you put it up here, it's too heavy. So that's what I was thinking about, putting it there, okay? So I'm going to write my scripture. And it's coming from Psalm 95, verse 1. Oh, come, let us sing to the Lord. Let us make a joyful noise to the rock of our salvation. And that's why I had the music paper in here. So let's try to get this on here. Okay, here we go. And then this is Psalm 95, verse 1. And then, because I think if I write these scriptures down, I'll probably remember them better. You could also, I've done it in the past, type them out on the computer or just use different things like that. But see, that's just too heavy. So I'm going to put this right in here. And I wrote it kind of crooked. I didn't go straight. But I think it's going to be really cute. I'm going to use my glue stick. I think that is so sweet. Let me see if there's anything else I want to do. I think I'm going to use this Ohuhu marker. It's double-ended. It has a calligraphy brush here and then just a dot end. And I thought maybe I could do this and kind of give this a little more dimension so it wouldn't look kind of flat and look a little, and I like that. I think that really drew attention to the verse, and it just, I don't know, it made it go into the spread and not just look like it's just stuck there. I really do like it. Let's take a look at it. All right, here's my scripture journal for this week. I really love this paper. I think it is so pretty. I love those stickers, and I think that washi really kind of added interest. And I think it's fun to write the scripture because I'm hoping that it will get it in my mind better. Because it seems like if you write something down, it's there a lot longer. So I need to practice on my writing. I want to get to where I can do almost like a calligraphy type writing, and I think that would really amp this up. If you enjoyed the scripture journal with me, then like the video, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, stay crafty.